Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Fabiayyi ala rabbikuma tukazziban. I am Brigadier Naeem Akbar, retired Director Operations, DI Khan New City, which is being developed by JK&S Global Developers Private Limited, a landmark project of SAF Group of companies. This project assumes strategic importance by virtue of its connectivity and proximity to the CPEC Western Route M14. The project is well connected to three provinces of Pakistan, namely KPK, Balochistan and Punjab. At this point of time, we are in fact standing at our main boulevard, which is 180 feet wide. In this particular housing project, it's very important to know that we have kept more than 50% area as a green. DI Khan New City is a very unique project. It ensures provision of round-the-clock security to its clients, central mosques, state-of-art hospitals, educational facilities, theme parks, and also ensures the eco-friendly environments for its clients and the residents. A word about the development activity. The staff at DI Khan New City is wholeheartedly committed towards a faster paced development, which includes the development of Qaid Avenue of Phase 1. The subgrade road have been completed and are ready for the asphalt. In the near vicinity, the main roundabout, it is actually being approached from the main boulevard. This will be a center of attraction. It will be with lot of greenery. The other important aspect is the white markings. In fact, these are the marking of the plots. So we want to really ensure that our client's satisfaction is our top priority. So whatever he picks up on the map, we want to make sure that the same plot is available to him on ground. With this, it's a very important point to really highlight that we are also doing the utility services, the underground electricity, the sewerage system, fiber optics and water supply, and these all facilities are based on the international standard being followed. The place where we are standing is the main commercial hub of DI Khan New City, which is being designed by the international architects. This will actually contribute towards our concept of bringing DI Khan New City to the next regional economic hub